All right, just a real quick review of. I'm going to remove my the bow rods from my headliner. So before you just start removing them, they go in a specific location. So what I did is I just numbered mine. So I'll start from front. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then they also go in specific holes depending on what you got. So I just marked mine. A little scratch below where the rod goes in. You can either felt tip or tape or whatever you want to do to mark it. And then there's the one in the center. It's a smaller wire, and in order to get that removed, these are clips here. You just get your screwdriver and just bend it out. And it should just come right down. Forgot one. Alright, and that's it, and then start removing the others. Alright, here we go. So I'll get mine cleaned up a little bit. They were still in the car when I got the whole body sprayed up and blasted. So you can tell it needs a little bit of cleanup here and there. But now I've got them marked, and I'll get them cleaned up, and then I'll get prepped to do the headliner. So hopefully the next couple weeks I'll get that. I need to buy it and do some research on how to install it. But that's it. These clips, you can get new clips online. And that's it. Just remember to mark your holes on where they go. Otherwise, it won't fit right. And that's it.